Hello everyone, welcome back to ForPips. If you want to learn Forex trading but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. In this chapter, we will build a strong foundation of the Forex market in the easiest way possible. We will start from the very basics, so even if you've never learned about Forex before, you'll be able to understand every concept step by step. In this video, you will learn what is the Forex market, what is a currency, what is a currency pair, what are base currency and quote currency, what do XAU-USD and XAG-USD mean? How does the Forex market work? What are decentralized and OTC markets? What is liquidity? And who actually runs the Forex market? If you understand all these concepts clearly, learning trading sessions, lot size, pip, spread, leverage, chart analysis, and trading strategies will become much easier. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin by understanding one simple question. What is the Forex market? Have you ever wondered what Forex actually is? And what do the words for and X in Forex mean? If not, make sure you watch this video until the end, because today I'm going to give you the easiest and most beginner-friendly explanation of the Forex market. First of all, let's understand how the word Forex is formed. The word Forex is made up of two words. For equals, foreign X equals exchange. When we combine these two words, we get foreign exchange, which is commonly shortened to Forex. Now the question is, what does foreign exchange actually mean? Let's take a simple example. Imagine you're traveling from Dubai to the United States. In Dubai, you have United Arab Emirates Dirham, AED, but in the United States, Arab Emirates Dirham are not accepted. You'll need US dollars, USD instead. So, you exchange your dirham for US dollars. In other words, you sell one country's currency to buy another country's currency. This process is called foreign exchange. Now let's talk about the Forex market. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, where currencies from different countries are bought and sold. Every second, individuals, banks, multinational companies, governments, and traders exchange currencies in this market. One of the biggest advantages of the Forex market is that it operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. When the Asian trading session closes, the European session opens, followed by the American session. That's why the Forex market remains active almost all day. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is traded in the Forex market? Is gold traded here? Are stocks traded here? The simple answer is, currencies are the primary assets traded in the Forex market. However, today many Forex brokers also allow traders to trade gold, XAU-USD, silver, XAG-USD, and other financial instruments alongside currency pairs. But when we talk about the Forex market itself, its core and primary focus is currency trading. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.